Hi, welcome to today's Talk of the Town. I'm Sandy Benson. With her law office on Hilton Head Island, Bree Kennedy has practiced law in a variety of areas since 2000, primarily domestic law, helping families with divorce, custody, child support, name change, and adoption issues. She joins the show today to explain her area of practice in more detail. Bree, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for having me.
So tell us a little bit about your firm.
I have an all-female family law firm that is located on the south end of the island on Arrow Road.
Okay.
And I help clients who are going through divorce or custody or other very difficult family law situations.
Right. So what is, say, the biggest mistake parents make going through a divorce?
Sometimes parents forget what is most important to them, and parents typically want to focus on the best interest of their children. And sometimes when they're going through a very difficult situation like a divorce, it's easy to forget that the kids are what's most important.
Right, yeah, and I'm sure you see all aspects of that. And so, yeah, I would imagine that's a difficult area to have to kind of circumvent. So what are the up and coming areas of family law?
I recently attended a seminar put on by the American Bar Association on assisted reproductive technology.
So what is that?
That is family formation through embryo transfer, through surrogacy, through egg donation, and sperm donation.
So is that basically dealing with the legalities of having a child outside the normal realms of reproduction, and then how that all works?
Absolutely.
Oh,
that's
my
exactly
goodness.
what it is for families who otherwise cannot have children
Okay.
or are looking for some other way through doctors' assisted reproductive technology to form their families.
Okay, okay. What an interesting area. Is that something you think will be pretty major in the upcoming years?
I do. As family law practitioners, we're seeing more and more of it.
Wow. What is mediation?
Mediation is the means by which families can resolve their domestic disputes prior to going to court and having a full trial. In mediation, the parties sit with their attorneys, and a certified family court mediator comes in and goes from one party to the next to allow parties to really make their own law and make their own decisions about their dispute rather than going to court and having a full trial on those issues.
What is the advantage of that?
The advantage of mediation is that parties can come through it knowing that they have been the ones to decide what's going to happen as far as their property.
Versus the law being laid down to them.
Correct.
Which may
Correct.
not be suitable
Right.
in
And
certain situations.
absolutely, and everyone feels better about making their own decisions versus going to court and laying everything out on the table and maybe coming away having said things that you regret saying about your spouse.
Yeah, absolutely. So is mediation required in family law?
It is. Anytime that there is a domestic dispute prior to going to court for a full trial, you're required to sit down for 3 hours and really go through a meaningful mediation to try to resolve your issues.
Okay, and again, due to the fact that it would be, and it would probably, in some cases, does it relieve a court case? Can you actually offset a court case by having a successful mediation?
Absolutely. If you are able to resolve your issues through mediation, then you're going to court to ask the judge to approve your agreement and not to have a decision made as to your property and custody and other domestic disputes.
Okay, interesting. Where is the family court located?
The family court is located in Beaufort.
Okay.
For our area, for Beaufort County.
Okay.
The family court has jurisdiction over all domestic disputes, so it's located in the main courthouse in Beaufort downstairs.
And quickly, what is a guardian ad litem? And I think I'm saying it correctly.
It's a guardian ad litem, and I'm asked that question many times. And what a guardian is usually an attorney, although it could be a layperson,
Okay.
who is appointed to represent the best interest of the child.
Okay.
So to do an investigation and report back to the court as to the best interest of the child.
Really great information. If people are interested in or have some issues or concerns, they can contact you via the information we've provided on the screen.
Correct. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And we'll be right back with Talk of the Town.